For families in Covington, home safety is always a top priority, especially when children are involved. Windows play a much larger role in household safety than many homeowners realize. Beyond providing light and ventilation, the right window design can help prevent accidents, improve security, and give parents greater peace of mind. Double-hung windows are a popular choice for Covington families because they combine classic style with modern safety features designed for today's households. Here's how double-hung windows offer family-friendly safety benefits that make them an ideal option for Covington homes. Top sash ventilation keeps children safe. One of the most valuable safety features of double-hung windows is the ability to open the top sash while keeping the bottom sash closed. This allows fresh air to circulate without creating a low opening that young children could reach. Benefits include improved airflow without fall risks, reduced need to open lower windows, greater peace of mind for parents in Covington's warm and humid climate. This feature allows families to enjoy ventilation while maintaining a safe indoor environment. Secure locking systems prevent accidental openings. Modern double-hung windows are equipped with advanced locking mechanisms designed to keep sashes securely in place. These locks are much stronger and more reliable than older window hardware. Safety advantages include reduced risk of children opening windows on their own, increased resistance to forced entry, added security for ground-level rooms. Some double-hung windows also support optional child safety locks or opening limiters for additional protection. Tilt-in sashes improve safe cleaning. Cleaning windows, especially on upper floors, can be risky without the right features. Modern double-hung windows include tilt-in sashes, allowing homeowners to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. This design eliminates the need for ladders, reduces fall hazards, makes routine maintenance safer and easier for busy Covington families. This feature supports safety without adding inconvenience. Durable frames reduce breakage risks. Double-hung windows are available with strong, impact-resistant frame materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite options. These materials are designed to hold up to everyday wear, weather exposure, and accidental bumps. Durable frames help reduce the risk of cracking or warping, maintain window integrity over time, support safe operation in active households. Strong construction is especially important in homes with energetic children. Multi-pane glass enhances safety and comfort. Most modern double-hung windows include double or triple pane glass. Beyond energy efficiency, multi-pane construction adds an extra layer of safety. Benefits include increased resistance to breakage, reduced chance of sharp glass hazards, improved noise reduction for calmer indoor spaces. Some options also include laminated glass for additional impact resistance. Smooth, controlled operation prevents injuries. Older windows may slam shut unexpectedly or stick during operation, creating pinch hazards. Modern double-hung windows are designed with balanced systems that allow smooth, controlled movement. This reduces sudden sash movement, finger pinch risks, frustration during everyday use. Smooth operation makes windows safer for both children and adults. Improved emergency egress. In emergency situations, quick exit options are essential. Double-hung windows meet emergency egress requirements in many rooms, allowing occupants to exit safely when needed. This feature supports faster emergency response, safer evacuation routes, added reassurance for families. Properly sized and installed windows enhance overall home safety planning. Professional installation ensures safety features work properly. Even the best safety features depend on correct installation. Professional installation ensures locks engage correctly, sashes align properly, safety components function as intended. Proper installation is key to maximizing the protective benefits of double-hung windows. A smart, safe choice for Covington families. Double-hung windows offer Covington families a thoughtful blend of safety, comfort, and traditional style. With top sash ventilation, secure locks, tilt-in cleaning, durable construction, and smooth operation, these windows are designed to protect households without limiting everyday convenience. For families looking to enhance home safety while maintaining comfort and charm, double-hung windows are a reliable, family-friendly upgrade that supports peace of mind for years to come.